Algorand's EMA10 truly shows a genuinely descending pattern, which for the most part is genuinely critical. As far as Algo support floor, it essentially is presently 29 cents, which certainly is very huge. Algo fall 14.8% in 7 days, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Algorand basically is buy and buy esteemed at $0.096 18 August 2023. In this video, we will especially walk you through Algorand cost examination for NA, or for pretty 1 week from NA, and basically attempt to answer this regularly fundamentally clarified pressing issues. Facts, which for the most part, is in every way that really matters. Momentary cost expectation for Algorand. Essentially is Algo an excellent interest in a truly significant manner. Algorand support and obstruction levels and so forth, which essentially is very huge. However, prior to plunging pretty profound into the Algo specialized investigation, fundamentally let us certainly discuss the essentially current economic situations, which really is genuinely critical. Market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there especially was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the genuinely whole cryptographic money market to $1,053,100,425,532, which really is very huge. The very complete exchanging volume truly remains at $71,015,534,287 in a for the most part significant manner. Bitcoin shares 48.22% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a strength of 16.33%. Which certainly is very huge, which in every practical sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,100.98 level after a decay of 8.17%, which fundamentally shows that market examination over the very last 24 hours, there explicitly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the for the most part whole digital money market to $1,053,100,425,532 in a really significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum by and large has seen a value decline of 6.02%, coming to $1,668.26 during the past 24 hours. Showing how yet prior to plunging profound into the Algo specialized investigation, in a real sense, let us especially discuss the genuinely current economic situations, or so they sort of thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $217.42 following a value change of 5.26% within a similar time period. Or so they basically thought. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP by and large, is somewhere near 13.42 and presently exchanging at 51 cents, which essentially shows what in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $26,100.98 level after a decay of 8.17%. Which fundamentally shows that market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there in every way that really matters, was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the extremely whole digital currency market to $1,053,100,425,532 in a truly significant manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, or so they most certainly thought. These occasions in a real sense show that the market explicitly is going in an essentially descending course for kind of transient in a kind of significant manner. Right now, a truly broad kind of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how Algo fall 14.8% in 7 days in a truly significant manner. Algorand backing and obstruction backing and opposition in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to recognize truly key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, which truly is genuinely huge. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers become commonly more truly dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exceptionally further appearance. How as of now, and in every way that really matters, general quite regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how Algo fall 14.8% in 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. Similarly, opposition certainly is a level at which merchants by and large become move sort of dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which dealers really become move pretty dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving kind of higher in an exceptionally huge manner. Following really are the help and obstruction levels of Algorand, Algo, Algorand execution, The genuinely current Algorand cost especially is $0.096 with an exchanging volume of $72,298,706 in the essentially beyond 24 hours, which truly shows that following truly are the help and opposition levels of Algorand. Algo, Algorand execution. The fundamentally current Algorand cost in a real sense is $0.096 with an exchanging volume of $72,298,706 and the in every practical sense, recent hours, which for the most part is genuinely huge. As of now, Algo sort of is somewhere near 6.35% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $748,827,575 United States dollars, exhibiting how the sort of all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $71,015,534,287 in a huge manner. Algorand value examination. Algo cost investigation for 18 August 2023. Inside a sort of everyday time period, fundamentally made sense of underneath in an unpretentious manner. We utilize truly relative strength index RSI, moving truly normal intermingling and disparity, MACD. Backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including straightforward moving fundamentally normal, SMA, and dramatic moving commonly normal, EMA to explicitly examine the future development of the Algorand. The Algorand sort of has especially break all its generally upholds levels, and things truly are not searching in every practical sense, great for the crypto market. So yet prior to jumping genuinely profound into the Algo specialized examination, generally let us especially discuss the especially flow economic situations, which truly is genuinely huge. Right now, by and large bears certainly are in charge of the market and effectively generally take Algo cost underneath the essential help level of 29 cents. So Algorand fundamentally is as of now esteemed at $0.096 18 August 2023. In this video we will explicitly walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for the following week and in a real sense, attempt to respond to these habitually clarified some pressing issues, facts, what for the most part is somewhat transient cost expectation for Algorand, explicitly is Algo an especially wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. While Algo's Williams %R marker by and large is at 40.299 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange, pretty sign sort of is by and large conceivable at this reach, showing how Algorand really is as of now esteemed at $0.096 18 August 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and explicitly attempt to answer these regularly generally sought clarification on some